Beyond drilling down to specific market segments, the prospecting platform allows you to organize resulting data points into dynamic lists, which can serve as update feeds for your industry-focused actions. These streams enable you to exploit one of the sharpest edges within account-based marketing: aligned reactive campaigns. Each company change can define a trigger for either your business development, advertising, and/or customer experience. To illustrate this mechanism, we'll go back to that payment service provider use case, where we've drilled down to a service-obtainable market focused on e-commerce merchants within the United Kingdom. We have managed to find all merchants that use other payment services, each bringing in value, and as it usually goes, some pain points. Since every payment choice is different, you can create various lists, one for each payment service, find service weak points, and transpose those into pain release edges for our outreach campaigns. For instance, we can isolate merchants that use Apple Pay as a payment option via filtering. And then accessing the Save to List button, and create a new list for the service-obtainable market segment. You will be provided with the option to add filtered records to an existing list or create a new one. To adhere to our agreed scope, we'll create a new list called Merchants that use Apple Pay and subscribe to daily updates. Once saved, we can explore this list in the Saved Companies section, which holds all of your saved lists. In the general overview of this section, you can use the search box to find a specific list, sort them by date and name, or choose lists created by a specific owner. When hovering over a list, you'll be able to edit it, share that list with co-workers, duplicate it, export the list to Excel, send list records to a sales engagement email sequence, send records to a CRM instance, or delete the list. To access the list contents, just click on its title. On the left, there are two icons: Saved List and Notifications, that allow you to switch between saved list items and notifications for these records. In the Saved List preview, you'll see the list contents with the option of applying the same filtering criteria as in the main prospecting interface. Also, you can access a report preview by clicking the View as a Report option. The perspective delivers a generic glance at how many companies are saved in the list, what's their overall turnover, how many employees' records are on file, the average age of business, company status, or turnover distribution. When navigating to the Notifications section, you'll see any recent alerts for companies in the list, similar to a generic inbox. To distinguish new alerts from older ones, the system marks notifications as unread, read, or deleted alerts, all converging into respective categories within a common inbox. You can also select various criteria to filter down specific notifications, as well as change alerting settings for this list. This interface is the main core for our previously mentioned use case. Depending on your needs, you could adjust your campaign audience to include relevant recipients, keeping an eye on employee contact or status changes. You could react to various company events sourced by legal or website-driven events. Or you can simply keep up to date about address changes to ensure your campaign has a veracity grip for each of its recipients. Going back to our main use case, by looking at website dynamics, you can spot those who get outages or sudden technology changes and react accordingly. This is how our lists go beyond generic scopes, delivering a reactive edge to your account-based marketing, keeping tabs on various changes, and delivering custom signaling for each of your accounts.